The ground shook for 15 seconds. We can't replicate the full force of the quake, its upward and downward motions, but this simulation gives you a sense of what people experienced. 63 people were killed, nearly 4,000 injured, and thousands more left homeless. But the city's most famous earthquake packed a much bigger punch. We can roll back time to imagine the San Francisco of more than 100 years ago. April 18th, 1906, 5:12 in the morning. The city awakens and comes to life. The busiest port city in America has grown up rapidly, with hastily built areas and poor infrastructure.